Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today's video is an update to my previous video. So, I have downloaded again Grand Theft Auto 5, also known as GTA 5, to the latest available version. I actually downloaded on my new PC and it does not have any mods uninstalled on it. So, after you have installed GTA 5, all we need to do is install mods. The first step is the MENYOO single player MENYOO PC trainer. For this, I will provide the link in the description. Click on the link and it will open up this site. And we need to download MENYOO PC, download latest release, wait for it, and simply download this. This is the MENYOO PC trainer, but we also need to download some other dependencies as well because it requires script hook v. This link will be given in the description. You click on the link and it will open this website. It should give you a graphical interface, but simply click the download button right there and it will open up like this. If it does not directly download, you can open up like this, which I have done right here. And here you can see there are script hook v for RDR2, Fallout 4, GTA 5 and things like that, but you can also change the settings of your site so you will be able to download it. So for this we will be going to this GTA native database. I'm sorry, which one was it? Yep, this is one. Script hook is released. So this is the script hook v. Just click on it and it will open up the graphical interface of that link. Hit download and it will start the downloading. If you get any prompts that it is harmful, simply just keep and the download will be completed. So the third file that we need to download is the symbol trainer for GTA 5. It is actually now available in the latest available version 16.4 but .7. Now it is on another version. Simply hit download and click the download button again and it will download the simple trainer for GTA 5. We need all of these files simply to run MENYOO PC. Why now? Simply it doesn't work, so we have to use these files as well. Simply extract it using 7-zip or WinRAR, whichever one you prefer. Actually, I think we should create another folder just to make sure that we are copying the files again. And I'm gonna name it GTA 5 mods like this. Now we are going to copy the contents of these folders in the GTA 5 mods folder. So this is the readme if you want to read it, just so you know how it works. But if you're following this video, you do not have to read any of it. I'm just gonna skip it right now. Close it. Okay, there might another. Yeah, that's the readme file that we need. So it asks you to copy these two important files. You can also copy everything, but I recommend copying these two files just to keep the modding simple and clean. Copy these files, go into the second folder and copy this folder and these two files. This is the readme. It will show you what we need to copy. We need to copy the MENYOO and MENYOO stuff. So we're gonna copy this and this. Rest of the stuff is not useful, but you can also copy that as well. I'm gonna copy these two files, refresh it so it is in sync. So here we need to copy only the bin folder. This is we copy the content of the bin folder, select all of them, copy them and paste it in the GTA 5 mods folder. Now all the files are right here. Simply do this trick and it will be clean. You don't get any problems. Select all of them, copy and save them in the GTA folder where the GTA 5 is installed. Once you're done that, refresh it for multiple times and when you load into the game, here you can see if the mod is working. I've actually tried it to make sure if it is currently working or not. How are we going to activate it? You can activate it by pressing the F8 key twice and it will bring up the menu and you can use it just like this. You can spawn cars, which I am doing right now. Let's see, where is that car? Yeah, that's the car I used in the previous video and I actually really like this car. You can also customize this car. Now you can see it is now working very perfectly. So to activate it, we need to press the F8 key. Or if it is not working, you can also use two combinations, Fn and Ft, F8 on your laptop, but it should work perfectly fine with F8 key. Once you've done that, you can summon your cars just like this, enjoy the mods. So you can do a lot of stuff in this Menyo PC. Now you can see the car is not disappearing anymore. Now you can also get your, ammo. I can fix cars. Let's get some ammunition. Yep, we got all the weapons we need for this game. Just like that. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Also, so make sure you have subscribed to the channel. I can make more and more videos on everything that I want. You can also suggest video ideas in your comments, and I'll make sure to reply if you get any problems. Yep, I am a terrible speaker anyway. Okay, let's enjoy this game and hit that subscribe button.
Kick back, run fire, let it rise up for them. You know, one for them, we do with it, too wicked and one for the ends. We know one for them, we do this real life, no need to pretend. You know, one for them, rich badness, them I know how much magnificent. We know one for them, phone here, phone there, make the baritone descend. You know, one for them, rise up a couple matic with the clip them bend. We know.